Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, you can now check your Cpen allocation. Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, please support me by subscribing to this channel. Alright guys, here you can see this is the post they made that you can now check your Cpen token allocation. And if you have not yet seen your allocation, make sure you go to your App Store or Play Store and update your app. So guys, once you update your app, I'm going to show you where you can see your verified token. So you click on wallet, and once you click on wallet, this is the interface that you're going to see. Then you will scroll down and you are going to see your verified token. This is the token that will be transferred to your preferred exchange, which is decentralized and centralized exchange. So guys, distribution to your preferred exchanges, which is decentralized and centralized exchange, is going to start on the 30th of March 2025. And here you can see this is their total supply. 72% is going to the community, and distribution to your exchanges and decentralized exchanges is going to start on the 30th of March 2025. And if you have not yet bin your wallet, make sure you go ahead and bin your wallet, because bin of wallet is going to end on the 29th of March, and they are going to announce their total supply very soon so that we can know the price prediction of this Cpen token. So guys, you can go ahead and check your allocation. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Please subscribe to this channel.